I'm Devon, along with Brody, Cooper and Fee. We're a bunch of lads who live for the duck season. If you enjoy the content, hit the subscribe button, chuck us a like. This is DuckFever. Right boys, we're heading out to the swamp. It's Friday Arvo, 2:30 currently. We've just picked up all our food from Woolworths in town, and we got all our ammo. We got Phoenix in the back, and we're heading out. The boys are already sending out the decoys, so we'll hit you with the video when we're out there. So see you then. Cheers. Just set up the triple whammy. It's a new purchase that we showed the other day on the YouTube. The decoys are set now. We're in a bit of a horseshoe shape. Most of the ducks come up this sort of gut and then come down, and then so hopefully we've left the middle open. Last year it was a good shoot, they landed in the middle. This is the last of the stuff where the boys are in there having a nice beer before the shooting starts tomorrow. How excited? Pretty excited.
Buddy,
yeah.
Keen as.
The boys have been fizzing all week. Didn't really want to go to school and work today, so yeah.
My and ponds all sorted for the morning. The boys are pretty keen.
It's been a good afternoon, taking all the gear in. The boys have been out in the pond, sending out the decoys. All the other boys have just gone out now. Had a few try a cup in just then. Pretty exciting stuff.
Here's one here.
Here's one here, it's just about to cup in.
A few more out wider.
Yeah, we got about 4 wonder ducks out there, some mojos. We're gonna have a few more of those rippler ones that we had. We've got a few triple whammies going. Our pond will have heaps of movement tomorrow morning. So we're real excited. Hope you guys are as excited. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Boys, a couple minutes out from the swamp. It's currently 5:53. The boys are real fizzing this morning. We woke up like 6 times during the night, so we're excited as we're just going to get all the stuff across, and the next shot will be us turning on the mojos and stuff. So we'll see you then, boys.
That way, but none of us have put the guns over top of the other. There's nothing worse than that.
Yeah. If Brody misses, then we're having a switch around.
Okay, so we'll all be just careful.
The boys are all set up. Got the guns down here ready to go. We got 8 shooters today, so hopefully we're in for a good day. Heaps of birds flying around at the moment, so boys are ecstatic. We'll cut to some shots in the light.
As he comes over. Go there.
Rolled him.
Whoever shot first got him.
Yeah, good shooting. Jesus Christ. That was slaughter.
Well, we should have had that.
Yep.
Good shooting, boys.
Take them. Over top. Right here. Shoot them. Finish him, Brody. Holy!
That was good.
That was good. That was good shooting, boys.
4 there, was it?
I think so.
2 twos.
Should I finish him?
Nice.
What do we at? We have 4.
21. That's my
Good shooting, boys.
Down the line.
Oh,
Turn around, get ready.
Brody.
Give me one. Phoenix has stole the bullet.
He's gone. Get him, Brody.
I think you better switch out.
Four more there.
This time, bro. Go into them.
Ready, go.
I got those two. Shit. That actually might have been.
Give us the hero shot. Come on, Brody. Kill him. Hey!
Holy shit. I'm counting.
I wonder how that looked, because I was standing behind you like this, and I was like, kill him, Brody.
Shot. Lucky, bro. It's so lucky. Salty.
Who poached that? I was no good.
It is recording.
Go, go.
Got him.
Three? Did you get three? Or two?
We got one,
We got one,
two,
two, three.
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 Three, I think.
No, I shot. Finale M2.
Finale M2.
Doing your treat this morning.
Yeah, no. It's good. Elite. 3-inch, 36 gram.
Sweet, it's good. At 8 o'clock.
What's the gun we're running here today?
Single.
Just going down for our first pickup. A few down in the pond. Had a good morning session. So yeah.
Yeah, we'll tie them up and we'll put them at the back. Get a bit of flax. If you guys know that technique, we'll show you that later on. Yeah, it's been a good morning. It's a clear morning now. As you can see,
No
yeah,
fog.
the boys are just cooking up some bacon and eggs and stuff. So we'll see you in a bit. Boys are in the pond doing a pickup, so we just got some flax. They just peel it off like this. Not like that one. I like a bit wider than that. Strip like that. I've actually got a better one on the ground though. Like that. And you go through the nostril. And through the next one. Oh, I go further through. If this one's nostrils open, yep, nice. Cool. And through, and then you tie it off. What do we got?
Pair of what bands?
First bands. So the boys are just stringing them up, using the flax to string them up. The boys, Phoenix is still in the pond.
A few peries, a few ducks.
Yep, we're going alright. It's good. Good morning shoot so far, so hopefully the afternoon keeps providing. It's always important to go collect your ducks, boys, so.
Bro, the French popped them. French popped them.
Fucking even shoot.
Here's my bullets. 3-inch, shot 4. Falcon.
How's the morning been going, boys?
Oh, pretty good. Little bit
Slow, man.
average shooting.
Average shooting. So we got a feed now. Most important part of the day. Over.
Enough eat
Not bad.
How's the feed looking, Coops?
Good, I'm so starving.
Better than our shooting going good.
Oh, there's a 4. That's a better bomb. Get it, bro. No. No.
Oh, I thought he was down.
I think he's dead. Did someone cover the one on the water?
He just fell out of the air. Oh, he's back on the pond.
He's coming back. He's coming back. Holy, these are good.
Oh.
Fuck, I missed the safety Jerry. I went at the back. Nah, any hero calls. Oh, look at him. Cover those. Oh, yeah, two. Oh, saves.
Get ready.
Go. Catch him. He's gone.
Two down?
What do we get to here?
Wait. Coming round.
Go! Oh! Where's it? Kill that Perry, Brody.
Did we get 2?
Yeah. Get the Perry. We need those dead.
I got.
Film me. Get over my shoulder. Film over my shoulder and I'll fucking show you how to rip into a fucking duck. Here you go.
Here we go. Pick it up and get into him.
Who shot? Nah, it's not me.
You're all in.
Where's the single?
Wait. Go for it, boys.
Shot. Shooting. One here. There's a user us.
They're coming around right.
All in.
Wait. Come.
Go. Oh, my gun wasn't reloaded.
He's going down, eh?
Down. He's fucked.
Yes. He no good.
We got 8 parries actually.
Yeah, I know.
I had one shot on my gun.
Shit.
The gun wasn't fucking reloaded.
Oh, he's dead in the bush out there, look.
You know what you call that? 100%.
100%. Yeah, that's what I like that. We've got Brody's gun, Benelli M2. Can't remember what the camo's called, but camo. We've got the Beretta.
This gun's rough.
Phoenix's gun.
Brand new
Beretta
gun.
A350 Extreme, brand new this year. Beauty. Cup to win calls feature. Sponsor us, please. Falcon ammo.
Top tier ammo there.
Top tier ammo. 3 inch.
grand.
Has the shoulder on the Sunday. And we've got
Ely.
We've got Cooper's gun. Cooper on it on oak.
Dad's
Dad's. Benelli M2. And then we got the Beretta A3. Is it A350 as well? Same as V's. Non-camo. Sheer beauty. And then the Benelli M2. So a couple of Benellis, a couple of Berettas.
And I was like, yeah, come here and let's.
Dit is Brody.
Good shooting.
I got that. I got one. I'll take it.
Fuck. I got two. Oh, gunpowder, boy.
Fuck, my ear is ringing. It's from me, eh? Right here. It comes along.
He must have spooked him. Come on.
Three diver. Don't shoot at that one. Don't shoot at this one. Don't shoot it. Don't shoot it.
Don't move, right hand. Straight up top.
Yeah.
You guys got the back ones and we got the front.
Once we got the front, we got back. We got back. We got front.
Yeah.
I got mine.
How'd you go, boys?
So I think.
We only
Two.
got.
I didn't see any. Where's
that him
the
go down over
evidence?
Nah,
No, we'll take one.
we got one.
Well, hang on, Coops. Remember, it's two. Now we got one.
We'll take one. Yeah.
Nah, that. I was gonna shoot that one, but it was gonna overtop.
What one
So
were you guys shooting?
It's just us. Shoot. Just us.
Nice! Good shooting, lads.
Single. He's going away.
Your team.
Ah! This fucking bullet fucking cut my head open. Fuck, man.
Boom! Boom! So it's about midday. Just going to grab a few more ducks. Got a few more down since last time.
yeah, our
Since the morning. So
some of our mojos are running out of batteries in our triple whammy, so we're just gonna go change the batteries on
yeah,
those.
just gonna go switch some batteries out. Collect a few ducks. Actually, oh, there's actually one just circling out. Oh, there he is, down.
We flipped it.
Oh, it's down, straight in the pond.
How good.
How good. Alright, we'll show you some footage of us collecting up some ducks. Feathers everywhere, eh? Skittled a few up. There's a few more down here. Just dropped I'm just gonna walk around the edge and grab all these on the way back. Pond's looking nice. We're just going to grab the rest of the ducks that are up here. Fuck! Jesus! Bloody hell! Good shoot, just clipping the ducks. Oh. Got a few away.
Yeah, just doing our midday pickup. Got a few more birds, so hopefully the afternoon shoot goes as well as the morning has. So just doing the pickup. Can't leave them on the pond because the eels get them and it's not ideal. So yeah, it's been good. We get to walk around the pond with our boots on, which is good. We don't really have to get in the waders and just have to get in the middle. So we'll go put the batches in the triple whammy and stuff, and then yeah, hopefully the next shot will be cutting to some good shooting.
Talk to you soon.
Just strung up those last ones that we just collected out of the pond. Got a good amount of them now, so boys are having some lunch upstairs now, so we'll cut to the next shooting videos. Single.
Is it out?
Yep.
Oh yeah, baby!
Oh, shooting.
Good shit, boy.
I didn't get the second one.
It's three. Who's it? Out? Yep, yours. Yours.
Get him!
Probably should do this next time I shoot, eh?
Hey?
For next time I shoot.
Oh, here we go. Kill it.
Gave him one on the way down. Safety walls. Main sponsors just rocked up.
Hell yeah.
Been using the breeder earmuffs, electronic earmuffs today.
Shit's been on the side. Just got to control on the side.
Yeah, control, turn it up and down. It's actually saved the ears this morning. All the boys have been wanting to use them. They've actually been a good find. So if you want to pick up some earmuffs, $150, then they are the ones to go.
Yeah, he's going down.
Fuck, I got him on my shot.
Yo!
There's six behind them.
I can't even see it. Tight shit, Robo! And again. Fucking roll him!
The sun was setting on a successful opening day. The boys were excited for what Sunday would bring. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content.